everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to draw a baby. This is the outline for baby drawing. You can learn this outline drawing from my previous video. In that video, I gave you clear details of the grid method. I wish all of you should watch the video, will improve your drawing skills. These are the materials that I am going to use for this drawing. Dom Super Soft Pencil, Camel Oil Pastel, Green, White, Sakura White Gel Pen, Tombow Eraser, Apsara Mecahno Eraser, Kneaded Eraser, Camel Distilled Turpentine and brushes. List of colors that I am going to use for this drawing: grey, dark red, pink, brown, skin color, red, green, black. Okay, let's start drawing. I start coloring some eyes. First, I am using a blue color for the pupil. For the iris, I am giving a lighter shade with the same blue color. Now I am using black color for outline portion of the eyeball. Again, it's blue. Using mono eraser for some highlight. If you watch a white portion of the eye, it will not look like the whole white. So I use a grey color. I'm using white color for blending. Now I use black color for the outlines of the eye. Now I'm using skin color for around the eye portion. This is skin color. For the skin tone, I'm using skin color and pink color. For shadows in the face, I am using grey color and green color. For the eyebrow, I am using brown color. I am using white color for blending. This is skin color. This is pink. To differentiate the nose, first I am coloring the outlines. First I am using black color for the nostrils. Now I am using skin color. This is pink color. For the nose, I use skin and pink and also some green according to the reference photo. Now coloring the nose is completed. For the baby mouth, for the darker portion, I am giving shade with blending the colors of dark red, black and brown. For lighter portion, I am using red, skin color and pink. Let's finish the face shading with skin and pink color. For lighter area, use eraser to lighten the portion. In this picture, there is a little background. For that, I'm using green color oil pastel. I'm using a white color oil pastel for blending. For the coloring of the dress, I'm using grey color for both designs and shadows. For the hands, I'm using skin color. For darker lines, I'm using black. There is some dark area between dress and hands. For that, I'm using black color. For dark spots, I'm using pink and brown. Now I'm using Camel distilled turpentine for blending. This is white gel pen to give some highlights. Okay, this is the coloring of the baby. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.